Hello and welcome to the first module of this training in which you will learn how to locate Excel on your PC. Now this method differs based on the Windows version you have on your PC. So let's first learn how to find your computer specification. If your startup screen looks like this with Windows icon on the bottom left corner of your screen, and when you click on it, these three icons pop up. That means you have Windows 10. To find your specifications, once you click on Windows icon, start typing. Now when you start typing, it automatically enters into a search mode and searches whatever you type on that particular screen. So here when you, for example, types file, it is going to come up with results related to file. You will get File Explorer. Click on File Explorer and you will get this screen. On this PC text, right click and then click on Properties to get this particular bit of information. This is the information about your computer, where you see the Windows edition, the system, the configuration. For example, we have Windows 10, the processor is i7, the memory is 8 GB and the system type is 64-bit operating system. This is an important information whenever you want to download some third-party software on your computer, because it is going to ask you which version of software you require, whether 64-bit or 32-bit. So you need to match it with your system. If your startup screen looks like this, that means you have Windows 8. Click on Start and search for system in the search field, and then in the search results click on system to get your system information. If on your desktop you have computer icon or my computer icon, that means you have Windows 7, Windows Vista or Windows XP. When you right click on this computer icon, you will get these options and then click on Properties button to get the specification of your computer. So now that you know how to find computer specification and figure out which Windows version you have, let's find out how to locate Excel on your PC. Since I have Windows 10 on my PC, I will first show you how to locate Excel on Windows 10. So here we are with Windows 10. Before we start looking for Excel, let me explain you two areas where you can have shortcut. The bottom bar here, what you see, this is called taskbar. This is one area where you can keep your shortcuts. The other area is when you click on Windows button. This is the startup shortcut area. So here right now you see Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, etc. These are the shortcuts I have created. Now let's see how to find Excel and how to create the shortcuts for Excel. As I explained earlier, when you click on the Windows icon and start typing something, it is automatically going to start searching for what you type. So I'm going to type Excel now. So here is what I have typed, and here are the results for Excel. On top you will see Desktop App Excel. If you click on this, Excel will start. Before we do that, let me show you how to create shortcuts for Excel. If I right click on this, there are two options here, Pin to Start and Pin to Taskbar. So when you click on this, it will either create a shortcut in Start or in taskbar. You can have both. So let me create a shortcut in taskbar by clicking on Pin to Taskbar. So here you see the Excel icon has appeared on taskbar. If I click on this again and unpin from taskbar, if I do not wish to keep this shortcut, then I can do that. I'll click on unpin and the Excel icon is gone. Let me create a shortcut on Start. So I will do Pin to Start, and now when I click here, you will see the Excel button appears over here. I can reorganize where this button stays by just dragging and dropping. So this is how you create shortcuts for Excel in Windows 10. And then when you click on the shortcuts, the Excel is going to start. In case you have Windows 8, then on the Windows 8 screen, start typing Excel and you will get results. So your result will appear in the search window here. Once again, on those results, you can click on it to start using Excel or create shortcuts by right clicking on it, and either you do Pin to Start or select Pin to Taskbar. If you have Windows 7, then you click on Windows icon you will be given the search window. In this search window, click in the window first and then start typing whatever you want to search. So in case, in this particular example, if I type Word, the Word program will be presented. I can click on it and start using it, or once again, I can right click on it and either pin to taskbar or pin to start menu. This pin to taskbar and start menu option is there throughout all versions of Windows. This is how you locate Excel on your PC and start using it. Let me start an Excel file. So I click on Windows and I click on the startup shortcut. And then I will click on blank workbook to open an Excel file. So this is how you locate Excel on your PC and open a file.